In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to overline text in Google Docs. This is a simple and straightforward tutorial, perfect for anyone looking to add a special touch to their documents. Whether you're a student working on a math assignment or just someone who loves exploring new features in Google Docs, this guide will have you overlining text in no time. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your Google Docs document where you'd like to apply an overline. Once you're ready, you're going to navigate to the top of the screen and click on the Insert menu. This Insert menu is your gateway to various options that allow you to customize your document, so it's well worth familiarizing yourself with this handy feature. It opens up a realm of possibilities for personalizing your work, allowing you to add everything from images to page numbers and, as we'll explore today, the ability to add special text formatting. Now let's dive in further. From the Insert menu, go ahead and select Symbols, then choose Equation. By selecting Equation, you enable a special toolbar that contains a variety of equation symbols and formatting options. This allows you to give your text a mathematically styled or uniquely formatted appearance, perfect for academic or technical papers that require precise formatting. After you select Equation, you'll notice an additional toolbar popping up beneath the main toolbar. This provides you with access to different types of equation elements. Move over to the fourth drop-down menu in this toolbar. It's located next to options like Greek letters and operators. This fourth drop-down is crucial for our task today because it holds the tools needed for adding advanced formatting to your text. Click on this drop-down and you'll find a collection of specialized symbols and formatting options. Here you'll be looking for a symbol that resembles the letter X with a line crossing above it. This is the overline symbol that we're interested in today. Selecting this X with an overline tells Google Docs that the text you're about to type should have a line over it, effectively giving it a stylish and professional edge. With this selected, you can now proceed to type whatever text you'd like to have overlined. Notice how a horizontal line appears above each character you input, visually highlighting the overline effect. This technique can be particularly useful in equations, presentations, or any creative projects where such formatting adds clarity and style, ensuring that your document stands out. It really is as simple as that. With just a few clicks, you've transformed your text into an eye-catching element of your document. Feel free to experiment with different texts or symbols to see how they look with an overline. Keep in mind that mastering these little tricks can significantly enhance the aesthetics and functionality of your documents, giving you an edge in both presentation and clarity. Thanks for tuning in to this tutorial on how to overline text in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks that can boost your productivity and document design. Happy documenting, and see you next time.